Welcome to the Sharkpreneur podcast with Kevin Harrington and Seth Greene. Kevin Harrington is the inventor of the infomercial, one of the original sharks from the hit TV show Shark Tank, and has generated over $5 billion in TV and digital direct response sales. Seth Greene is the world's first trusted authority on cutting-edge direct response marketing, a best-selling author, and the only 3-time Marketer of the Year nominee. On the podcast, Kevin and Seth interview sharkpreneurs who share straight talk on what it takes to explode your business.
Why do so many businesses struggle while others seem to explode overnight? Do you wish you had the secret to this type of exponential growth? Now, I've scaled more than 20 businesses to over $100 million, and it's not just luck. In my new book with Mark Tim, Mentor to Millions, you'll learn the repeatable framework I use in all my business ventures for massive success. Order at kevinmentor.com and get over $1,000 in bonuses. Head to kevinmentor.com.
Welcome to the podcast. This is your host, Seth Greene. Today I have good fortune to be joined by Todd Brauch of Senior Insurance Marketing. Todd, thanks so much for joining us.
Hey, thanks, Seth. I really appreciate it. Glad to be on your show.
Awesome. Let's go back in time a little bit. How'd you get started in the business?
About 33 years ago, I worked at Lincoln Benefit Life, which was owned by Allstate, which Allstate back then was owned by Sears, and started in the just answer the phones and helped agents and clients with life and annuities, and work with underwriting and also claims. Just work with every department at Lincoln Benefit Life. So that's how I got my start.
All right. And obviously there's a longer version that covers all 33 years that maybe should be in a book somewhere.
Sure.
But fast forward, how did you get involved in senior insurance marketing?
Well, I retired from Lincoln Benefit Life Allstate and been with the senior insurance marketing for about 6 years now. So and we've been doing Medicare supplements, Medicare Advantage. We help agents. We broker all these products to agents and so they can help their clients basically. And just because, Medicare supplement, there's 12,000 people every day turning 65. So it's a huge, huge opportunity to help the seniors out so they are not, financially burdened as seniors are, when they're basically on a fixed income.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit more about what senior insurance marketing does and kind of how you differentiate yourself from other folks in the marketplace.
Sure. So again, majority of our agents write Medicare supplements, and then the rest of the balance of it is life and annuities, long-term care, final expense, cancer, heart attack, stroke, and dental, and just a whole myriad of other products as well too. So basically, we're contracted with about 140 different insurance companies, and we broker their products to our agents. We work with a little over about 10,000 agents all over the United States, and we just try to specialize ourselves, providing that extra customer service. And we have rewards trips or VIP trips that we send agents to for production for life and annuities, final expense, and Medicare supplements and that. So just provide that extra touch to make us a little bit different than the rest out there.
Well, congratulations on that. That's obviously an enormous success over the years. 140 different care products makes you a one-stop shop pretty much for everything. And then helping 10,000 agents obviously is a significant undertaking. What are some of the biggest challenges you're seeing out in the marketplace? What are the mistakes that agents and advisors are making when it comes to this stuff?
Well, for Medicare supplements, basically, selling a Medicare supplement is great. Clients are getting their Part A and Part B, and they need a Medicare supplement or a Medigap to fill, the gap what Part A and Part B don't cover. But, trying to inform the agent that they're leaving a lot on the table by just doing a Medicare supplement sale only. There's the final expense. Most people that retire maybe possibly have a 401k that they can roll over into an annuity. Final expense, throughout my years, I've, experienced stories where unfortunately the beneficiaries have to pay for the funeral because there either was no money left or very little money left to pay for the funeral or any of the other outstanding expenses. And the beneficiaries, which usually are the children, have to pay for mom and or dad's final expenses that they leave behind in that. So it's just insurance is a way for, to alleviate that financial burden, basically.
Absolutely. 10,000 agents, what's your biggest challenge now?
Just, helping agents out, trying to, let them know that, hey, you can also, possibly make it a dental, vision, and hearing sale, because that's not included in, the Medicare supplement or Part A, Part B, life annuities, final expense. And also, how many people that that have had cancer, purchasing cancer insurance as well too. So trying to just educate the agents on, more opportunities besides Medicare supplement that they can sell and offer to their clients. And, they offer it to one spouse because they're retiring, they're turning 65, but also there's, another spouse that they can come back to and offer Medicare supplement and also final expense and dental, vision, and hearing as well too. So, as I look at it, there's a good potential of up to 10 sales in one household with both husband and wife, basically. So just trying to get that education out to agents and let them know that, they can serve their client even better.
Absolutely. And the fact that they can get them all through you under one roof makes their life and coordinating those 10 sales a whole lot easier, as opposed to going to, let's say, 10 different IMOs for help.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And basically it's kind of, I kind of label it, one call does it all, basically, and we can help them out. And, and the thing is, if we don't have the answer, because, there's some unique situations that we get calls on, I have, a vast knowledge of in the insurance industry, as well as, plenty of connections, that I have, on my LinkedIn account that I can reach out and have someone help me out as well too.
You certainly have an incredible array of products, and that's one amazing way to support the agents. Talk a little bit about the other things you do for agents, like the marketing, all the other stuff that you help with.
Mm-hmm. So basically, we have a free quoting tool that's available for the agents that can quote Medicare supplements, final expense, Medicare Advantage, and dental insurance, hospital indemnity. Also, we have another free quoting tool for life insurance, whether it be term, a guaranteed universal life. And also we have on our website a listing of all the insurance or annuity products. And also, the interest rates are changing, and, different companies are coming out with increasing their rates and that. So I foresee the annuity landscape market being really competitive and just the interest rates increasing in that. So it's kind of a one that kind of changes every week, which is good. It's an opportunity for clients to earn, make their money work for them, because they worked hard to earn their money.
Absolutely. Your passion is obvious. What do you like best about what you're doing?
Basically kind of, in a roundabout way, indirectly helping the clients through the agent, basically. And, through my 33 years, have plenty of stories that have, touched my heart, as well as, touched, other people's hearts when I tell the story of had one husband that didn't want to keep his universal life policy because it was in declining. It was a declining UL blowing up and everything like that, purchased back in the 80s when interest rates on the UL was 10-12%. And
we all illustrated that running forever.
Yep, exactly. And never would go with the guarantees, and now it has. So basically, we kind of helping that client out through the agent and keeping that universal life policy and kind of reducing the death benefit, just to keep the premiums like they were, increase them a little bit. And then a year later, he passed away, and she had left a message on one of my reps' voicemail, thanking, of course, in tears of her loved one's passing, but basically, thanking my rep for helping the agent and also her husband keep the life insurance policy, because it helped pay that death benefit, which is tax-free, helped, pay for paying off the house, paying off some of the other debt that they have. And also, she felt comfortable, financially with his passing and that. So just, situations like that kind of make you go like, that's why I do it.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we get up in the morning. You are absolutely right. For our agents and advisors watching or listening who are interested in learning more, where is the best place for them to go to learn more about you and senior insurance marketing?
Basically, give us a call, 877-800-3080, and give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Also, you can go onto our website at www.simkt.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. We have we have our own podcast channel as well too, and feel free to go to our website and tap into our podcast channel from our website. Plus, also we have a plethora of other information about all the companies that we offer, plus also any incentives out there. It is just a wealth of knowledge, our website is. So, give us a call, go to a website, and also you can just email us through the website as well too.
Awesome. Well, this has been Seth Greene with Todd Brauch of Senior Insurance Marketing, simkt.com, and check out the podcast for sure. Todd, thanks so much for joining us.
Hey, you're welcome, Seth. Thank you.
Thanks, everybody, for watching or listening. We'll talk to you or see you next time.
Do you need money to fund your idea, product, or service? Are you ready to take your business to the next level but need capital to get it done? Kevin Harrington has heard more than 50,000 pitches and knows how to help you make the perfect pitch to get the funding for your entrepreneurial dream. He's distilled the process down in his perfect pitch cheat sheet, and it's yours for free. Just text PITCH to him right now at 727-888-2100. Text PITCH to 727-888-2100 right now and claim your free perfect pitch cheat sheet. Text PITCH to 727-888-2100 to start funding your dream today.
This show has been produced by Market Domination, LLC. To discover how you can have your own show completely done for you and turn it into a real published book and become the authority in your marketplace, go to www.marketdominationllc.com/podcast offer.